What's up, everybody? This is your girl Kiki. I am back with another vlog, even though I haven't done a vlog in like months. But anyways, pretty much I just got back from work. It is, what time is it? 8:20. It's 8:20. Flower wall broken, by the way. I had to fix that. I haven't fixed it in like weeks, so I'm gonna have to get right to it pretty soon. Anyways, got my headphones in because the sound on my phone is no longer working, which indicates to me that I need a new phone. Because if you think I'm about to constantly pay to get this phone fixed, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. But yeah, so I ate a little bit. I should show y'all what I have ate. No, I don't have it with me. I don't feel like getting it. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and take me a shower, wash this booty. I'm gonna be using one of my favorite body washes that I have here. Is from Bath and Body Works. Now, usually I don't mess with Bath and Body Works stuff because some things you just should not put too much fragrance in. Like, I can see it in like the dishwasher stuff. It'll be nice, like if you want to like dilute it in some non-scented laundry detergent, so that way you don't have to worry about breaking out of stuff if you got sensitive skin. But shampoo, conditioner, really, Bath and Body Works? Are you trying to make us break out? Like, what the heck? But I do like their body washes. They're really, really nice. So this is wonderful. No, 1,000 Wishes moisturizing body wash with shea butter and vitamin E. So I'm gonna have to probably flip the screen. Yeah, there we go. There we go. You can kind of see it a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this on top of some regular soap. So this will be kind of like my moisturizer in the shower, and then I'm gonna be using the soap first, like just some regular soap, just regular soap. Then I'm gonna use this, and then I'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take me a shower, get this hair wrapped up. My hair ain't the best right now. I just plopped it in a ponytail because when you a nail tech, you ain't got time for all that, you know, the hair to be in your face and everything. Like, you trying to do these pedicures and manicures and acrylic sets and dip powders and all this extra stuff. You ain't got time for hair to be in your face. So that's what I'm doing. But anyways, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm out the shower. I'm feeling good. I feel good. I also did my facial routine as well. So this is the products that I use, by the way. Let me turn the light on because it's a little dark. Now I still look weird. But anyways, the products that I use for my face. So after I wash my face with a good, it's like a washing cleansing bar or something like that. It's got like lemongrass and stuff in it. It's the Koji Acid facial bar. I think that's what it's called. But then I use rose water as my toner. So you see that right there. And then I use a eye puffy serum because I got like puffy eyes, so I got to keep those babies down. And then I got also a vitamin E serum, so this is good for overall my face, to keep my face glowy. I'm trying this new product from Amazon. It's the Amazon brand, which is crazy. Since when Amazon started making facial products? Since when they started doing that? But yeah, so anyways, I'm trying it out. So far, it's pretty good. I feel like it's doing a good job with keeping my skin nice and glowy. You can see like skin on point. We got to keep the skin on point. All right, we just got to keep it on point. And then I use a vitamin C moisturizer as well, Gleaming. So this is a new product that I have tried, and it's so far pretty good. I'm almost done with it, actually. Let me open it so you can see that's what it looks like. So just a regular moisturizer. I like it because it doesn't leave my face greasy or anything like that, which is good. I don't like a greasy look, and a little goes a long way. But you can see my skin is on point. Take the shower cap off. Let me take this off right quick. All right, and also before I go to bed, I want to show y'all my new pet. So for a lot of y'all who don't know, because I mean some of y'all probably don't know because y'all don't really watch my channel like that, whatever, but I do have a cat, and I don't know if you can hear her meowing right now, but I do have a cat already. His name is Blue. He's about to be 11 this year, so he is an old gray tabby cat. So my brother just got a new kitten, and she is now around 4 months old or so, but she is a Maine Coon mix, meaning that she is going to get probably bigger than my older cat, because he's around 11 years old. So he's already at his maximum capacity. He's around like, I don't know, cause he getting fat. Like, you know, he been eating the kitten food. So because of that, he's been getting pretty big. Like last time I saw him, my boy was like rolled over like this and his stomach was just sticking out. And I'm like, buddy, you might want to stop eating Belle's food because her name is Belle. So like, you know, Blue Bell, like the ice cream brand, that's pretty cute. I didn't, you know, we didn't even do it on purpose. Like my brother, at first he was going to name our kitten Bell Pepper. And then we thought about it. We're like, yeah. Belle for short is cuter. So, and it goes together because again, it's like an ice cream brand, which is my favorite ice cream. Like, we made it work. So, hope y'all can hear me. So this is Belle right here. Say hi to everybody, Belle. Hey. So she's definitely like the opposite of my older cat. She's definitely way more hyper, and probably because she's a kitten too, so you know kittens are going to be more hyper. But you see how big she is? Like, look at her. And I don't know how long I'm going to be able to hold her on camera, but I mean, look how big she is. And she's only like 3-4 months old. This girl is huge. Okay, girl. All right, you play with my headphones? Okay, like now you want to get down, go ahead. By the way, because she's a Maine Coon or a half Maine Coon, I don't know if she's a mix or not. She looks like a tabby Maine Coon mix or whatever, but she sheds so freaking much, bro. Like, if you ever had a regular cat, they already kind of shed just a little bit, not too much, but they don't shed as much because my cat, he's a short hair. So, but she is way more fluffier. And she sheds like crazy. I dang near have to brush her like every single day. This girl sheds hair like crazy. Like, I be finding hair on my shirt. Like, I know I got a lot of hair on my shirt. I do, because this girl sheds like crazy. I'm gonna have to purchase one of those, you know, like the rubber things that you can like rub on yourself to hair and stuff like that. Because my allergies are acting up because this girl shedding all over the place and it's irritating my nose. I'm gonna have to take an allergy pill. It's too much. It's too much. This girl's stressing me out. And I can't wait to see her get bigger and kind of mellow out a bit. I really don't know. But she is a girl. My first cat is a boy. So boy, girl cat. And don't worry, my cat, the first one, he is neutered and spayed. So ain't nobody have no grandkids around here because I ain't raising no grandkids. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show y'all my short little vlog on you know, coming back from work and chilling and everything. I mean, even though I didn't really show y'all much, I mean, I just basically wash my ass and show y'all my kitty. So I don't know, but I will show you the outfit I am gonna wear for work tomorrow right quick. So got a striped shirt. Y'all probably seen me in this before in one of my videos. It was like a video I did a long time ago, but yeah, just a regular striped shirt, blue. And then I had some navy blue pants somewhere. They're like work pants, kind of slacks. I'm gonna have to find those. But if not, I'm gonna wear a black one. I really don't care. I don't dress up for work like that. Because as a nail tech, when you busy running around, plus you get nail dust all over you and cuticles, skin and dead skin and all this stuff on you, it's like products. You don't really care about dressing too nice because you're just trying to get the job done and get the F out, you know. So this is at least, you know, somewhat business casual. It's like a nice loose shirt. I like the fact that it's super thin. It is from Shein. Ain't nothing wrong with Shein. They got some really good work clothes. I like the simple style, especially the ones with multiple colors, because then I could match it with any color pants. So I could do this with like white pants, beige pants, navy blue pants, black pants. If I had like I had this one shirt. It was like a combination of different neutral colors. So it had like some navy green, some navy blue, burgundy, mustard yellow. Like it was like a mix. And you could match literally whatever kind of color pants that you want with it, because of the fact that it had multiple colors. So any shirts with multiple colors, if y'all want to see some outfits on how to dress simple, comfortable, but still stylish, let your girl know I got you on the fashion tip. Because when you at work, unless you the type who like to dress up, okay, then I'm probably not the one for you. But if you just like to dress up simple, but still, you know, professional, but still have some color, some flair to it, let your girl know I got you on the fashion tip. Because let me tell you something, every time I go to work, everybody be like, oh, I love what you wear. I don't literally worn this at one time, I think like maybe 2 times in a row in 1 month. And people will still say, oh, I love that shirt. Like, girl, I don't wear this shirt 2 times. Like, what is he talking about? You lying. But anyways, okay, I'm done. I'm about to go. Bye-bye. I just want to appreciate everyone for watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's going to be below my video. And also hit that notification bell for more updates on my content. Along with that, you can follow me on my other social media pages as well for more updates on my other content that I post outside of here. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there and stay blessed. Goodbye.